Hi guys, in this video we'll go through together to start the basic code of Arduino. So from now on I would like to share you the Tinkercad software that I want to share both our hardware and code on it. So from now on, here we go. Here the pin mode function that we need to know to start our Arduino. So it have the syntax pin modes here, and the parameter of it have the input, output, or input pull up. So from now on I would like to share you the output delay function. The delay function we use for delay our programming codes, and then the syntax here delay in millisecond. Here the digital write function, to our Arduino code, it have only high or low. So now here we go. Tinkercad, go to the software and search the Tinkercad, enter. Okay, scroll down and find the start tinkering, click on here, and then you can sign in to anywhere. Okay, here we go. Find the create, click here, create, and then look at the circuit, click circuit, and then we can go to place to do this project together. The right side where we can find the component for making our circuit. So from now I find the Arduino, click on here, and then let's click again, click to a breadboard. I'm gonna move it to here, do like this, and then find the LED, click on here, and then press A to our keyboard for the rotation, do like this. Okay, click the resistance because I want to protect my LED. It have the value 1 kilo ohm. So now make the connection, click the pin mode that we want to blink our LED. So here click on here, and then right click again, right click and right click. So let's click. Okay, connect the ground pin. Let's click and right click, do like this to the cathode of our LED. Let's click. Okay, I'm gonna fix something. Okay, so I want to change the color of the white plate. Okay, look at the top, click the code here, and then find the block, click on here, go to touch, continue. So here you can see now we can make our codes, change it to 13, and then have output here. So in void loop I would like to delete it, and then I want to make the digital right, and the pin mode do like this, and have the high because our pin is the digital, right? So now do like this, and then the delay function, I want to delay it for 500 milliseconds. So now, okay, here we go. Look at the start symboling, click on here, and then wait a little bit. Look at our circuit, it have the light up here. So now stop symboling and then make it low for 500 milliseconds. Digital, right, 13 and low. Delay 500 milliseconds. So do like this. We can make our LED have light on 500 milliseconds and then close 500 milliseconds. Click the start simulation. Here, as you can see,